All right, so today we're going to be replacing tire tubes on bicycles. Here we go. Stroller that she uses when she goes out running with the kids, and it's kind of hard to do when the tire does this. So, got my tool, simple tool to take the tire off and get to the tube. It has a little nub right here to be able to make sure that the tire is fully deflated, and as you can see, no air came out. It is completely flat. All right, so let's see what we can do to get this to work. All right, so the first thing you want to do is break it away from the base, as sometimes it has created an attachment to the base. So by taking your tool in here, you can just wedge up on it, and as you go all the way around, you can break that seal that holds it on. Once that seal is broken, you should be able to take your tool, pull it along here to get the tire to release. All right, so I finally got it off, and this is such a tight attachment onto this hub, onto this the wheel, that to get this off, I actually had to use one tool here to be able to get it off, and then I had to go down a little bit, get the next one in to be able to pull it off so that this piece would stay off, and then I switched and rotated this to the next section until I've got it all the way off like this. So now I can pull the tube out through this section. Should be able to do it, I would think, without having to take the tire all the way off of the wheel. Nice. All right, so from here, just grab the new I am very lazy when it comes to bicycle pumps. So I bought one that has this quick release valve on it. That just makes it very easy to connect it on there and to fill it up. Just trying to put a little bit of air in there just to make it sit right while I still have access to apply that to it. All right, Tires there. Tires seated nicely. Very good. All right. Now we'll just move my adapter. And we'll deflate that tire. I like to squeeze the tire right behind that valve so that it doesn't go when it's deflated, so it doesn't move somewhere else. Okay, it's on. That is that. Now we need to get the rest of the tire up on there. I have a sneaky suspicion this is going to be more work than anticipated, but that's just my interpretation. Or it could be really easy because it slides right on like that. Nice. I love when it goes easier than expected. All right, there's the tire, tube. Take my nice little adapter again, drop it back on there. Then we can sort out getting it pumped up to the full pressure. That is the replacement of the tube.